So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, legal advisor at Dialogy. Welcome to Dialogy. Today in this video I am going to discuss or I am going to sum up the discussion on Election Commission of India. In the last four videos we have already discussed 80% of what is Election Commission of India. In the last video, in this video I am going to complete what is the basically discussed with you the importance of Election Commission of India, which is very important for you to understand. So let's start the discussion without any further delay. So since 1952 the Election Commission of India has successfully run both national and state elections, we all know. And to promote increased public participation, the commission has begun to take a more active role in recent years. The commission had gone as far as finding political parties and threatening them with de-recognition if they fail to uphold internal party democracy. It maintains the constitutionally defined values of equality, equity, impartiality, and independence, as well as the rule of law in overseeing, directing, and controlling election governance. It conducts elections in accordance with the greatest standard of veracity, independence, fairness, transparency, and professionalism. It also ensures that all eligible citizens take parts in the voting process in a welcoming and inclusive environment. In the interest of electoral process, it interacts with political parties and all stakeholders, and it increases strengthens the confidence and trust in the electoral system of this country by raising the understanding of electoral process and electoral governance among key stakeholders, including voters, political parties, election officials, and candidates, and the general public. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you're pretty much clear what is the importance of Election Commission of India. In case of any confusion, do let me know in the comment section, and in case of any suggestion you would like to give, do let me know in the comment section. For more updates, stay tuned on the same channel Dialogy. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.